Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can simply go to Shein and check your shoe size. This is the way how you can compare your shoe size and know exactly which shoe size you wear. Open Shein and then go to the shoe section, which is in this section. After you click on these three lines or scroll, click on the shoe section, go for men, and then you can click on any shoes. You can see that there is check my size. You can click on the check my size and then you can compare from which shoe brand you normally wear, and then you can choose the type of shoe you wear. And then it comes to measurement. You can choose which size you wear, narrow, medium or wide, and then press continue. Now it will suggest you two sizes, so choose from these two and then click on continue shopping, and you can choose from these and then add it to cart. So this is how you check your shoe size in Shein. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Let's meet again in another video. Until then, goodbye and take care.